The TurfTuner TT2000 is used for loosening of infilled artificial turf and to straighten the fibers. With the TurfTuner TT2000, SMG launches the evolution of the successful TT1600. The TT2000 comes equipped with 3 rows of decompacting tines and 1 row of straightening brushes. The working depth can be precisely adjusted and locked to fit your needs, using the ball-bearing adjusting spindles on both sides. The innovative SMG OMEGA quick change system allows fast and tool-free exchange of brushes and tines, and allows to extend the working width for brushes and tines from 2 meters to 3 meters. The new brushes are made from recycling material instead of wood. The recycled material is not only more durable and weather-resistant than wood, but it also reduces our carbon footprint. The unique 2-in-1 drawbar also works as a 3-point hitch. That means the TT2000 can be pulled by any available tractor, quad, lawnmower, or utility vehicle, as well as allowing transport from field to field on the campus, or even transport in the city. The wheels are low-maintenance, full-rubber turf tires with minimized ground pressure. To further avoid friction and to make transport and handling better, all wheels are turnable 360 degrees. The trailing drag brush is floating and ensures an optimal surface finish. A loop on the drag brush allows a magnetic strip to be attached. SMG OMEGA also allows you to transform your TT2000 from a drag brush into a decompacting rake with full working width. Rows of tines and rows of brushes can be combined in any way, so the TurfTuner TT2000 can be adapted to individual requirements and maintenance steps. The TurfTuner TT2000 from SMG, individually adaptable to your turf maintenance needs.